Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Salesforce Developer Internship certificate. We'll start by outlining the fundamental steps to prepare for this exciting career path. You'll learn about the key certifications that significantly enhance your profile and make you a more competitive candidate. We'll also cover how to acquire valuable hands-on experience and craft a compelling application. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to achieve your internship goals. To begin, focus on building a strong foundation in Salesforce development. This includes mastering the Apex programming language, which is crucial for custom logic. You should also become proficient in front-end technologies like Lightning Web Components and Visualforce. Completing specific Trailhead modules is an excellent way to gain practical skills and earn badges. Understanding Salesforce data models, security settings, and automation tools is also essential for success. A key step is to earn the Salesforce Platform Developer 1 certification, which validates your core development skills. Beyond certification, actively engage in personal projects to apply what you've learned. Contributing to open-source Salesforce projects or volunteering your development skills can provide invaluable real-world experience. Remember to document all your work and build a comprehensive portfolio to demonstrate your capabilities to potential employers. When applying, customize your resume and cover letter for every internship opportunity, emphasizing your Salesforce development skills and certifications. Be ready for technical interviews, which often include questions on Apex, Lightning Web Components, and platform best practices. Networking with professionals in the Salesforce ecosystem can open doors to unadvertised positions and mentorship. Persistence and continuous learning are vital for securing your desired developer internship.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.